So I thought about time that I got on with this cardigan so you can see the next stage. So you can see I've done my button band. So I started at this side, and as I went along I made my buttonholes. I do have a separate tutorial for that, and I sewed it on. So you can see I'm just about at the end, and I've sewed it right down to here so I can just see how many more rows I've got to do. Now, when I first do this part, I don't stretch the band at all. But when I'm sewing up this part up here, I do stretch it maybe 1 or 2 rows. And then the same, once I get to here to match up with this ribbing, I don't stretch it anymore. I think it just stops making it pull it up in the middle. But then I sewed it up a bit tight here, so that might just pull up a bit. But that's the idea. So I've just got a few more rows and then I cast off. And I've done my ribbing. I picked up my stitches and did my ribbing for the top of the pockets. And I will just sew this up carefully from the bottom. And then I have to do the other side. And then I'll sew the pockets underneath, and I'll bring it down, so just sew it along the top of the ribbing here, which means you can't really see anything. So I'm quite pleased. I'll be glad when it's finished, and then I will do some sleeves. So it's raining again today after a few days of sun, and the garden was glad to see a bit of rain. So I will sit and do this today, but I'm quite pleased. It's looking very nice. All right, let me know how you're getting on. Bye.